did you enjoy that performance? Did you feel a little bit of jealousy? No, हमारे टाइम पे ऐसे गाउन वाउन छोड़ो, नया टी-शर्ट भी देने के लिए रेडी नहीं थे पापा मम्मी. They were like, what? You're just passing 10th standard. No, we'll see if you finish 12th. No, sir. Parents did not make it a big deal at all, no? When you're like, Papa, I got first in IAS exam. First in IAS only. No. Come on 3 times and show, then I'll believe you. That's what parents used to say, right? All the parents who are not reacting, I'm assuming you had great parents who said, Ja beta, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. हाँ करो, जो भी वेलापंती करना है करो. We will take care. How many parents had parents like that? You're not admitting to it, or you're not, nobody had, or now you're like, oh no, I don't want to say I was a spoiled brat. Is that the case? Okay, parents. But does this take you back to all the small moments that you have been a part of in your school days? Any songs that you already had performed to in all of these? Any of the songs that we've played so far, any of the ones which you performed? Nobody has done I Am a Disco Dancer. All lies. Sir, I can see you. You used to sit in your house and play it in the shower and say, I am a disco dancer. Yes? Bachpan mein. I'm sure all of you are getting wonderful memories back with all of the performances happening. But we will be proceeding with the graduation ceremony. I think our graduates are ready to head their way to the stage. I request our Chief Learning Officer, Ms. Nutan, our Regional Manager of Marketing, Mr. Praveen, and our founder, Mr. Abhijit Bishe, to join us on stage for the graduation ceremony. Parents, please put your hands together. Photography department, flow is okay. The graduates will be entering from the left of the stage and exiting to the right. Parents, please give it up as our graduates make their way onto the stage for their prizes. First up, we have the lovely Ayanshi Mohapatra. Ayanshi is described by her teachers and her cohorts as charming, friendly, and humble. She may not be spilling much of her charm, but her humility is definitely coming through. Look at the soft, centered face. Parents, give it up for Ayanshi, please. Be a very social and adaptable person, and she's also termed by her friends as being brilliant. We'll definitely be witnessing her brilliance, but that was a lovely smile from Abigail. On that note, we have our welcome speech pioneer, Mr. Arav Prabhu. Parents, give it up for our very own kind, curious, and energetic Arav Prabhu, who took it upon himself to invite all of you and welcome you correctly. Look at that big smile. Up next, give it up for Adira PS. Well, Adira is termed as focused, confident, and structured. And true to the words, Adira stands there straight and tall, looking like she already knew she's going to graduate and take this prize. Look at her. She's like, "Mujhe to pata hi tha." Give it up for Adira. And moving on, we've got the lovely Adrit Bharadwaj. Adrit is described by his friends as cheerful, diligent, and friendly. Definitely friendly. He also said thank you to all of you parents. And moving on, we've got, up next is Agastya Shetty. cheerful, creative, and playful. Little Agastya is definitely going to do a lot of interesting things in the years to come. And that charming smile will do a lot for everybody else too. Right, parents? Up next, we've got the lovely Aradhya. Calm, polite, and empathetic Aradhya seems to be a fan favorite in all her friends. Up next, we've got a very energetic person joining us by the name Arya Zara. Give it up for the joyful, friendly, and very evidently creative Arya, who is receiving her graduation certificate before us. Up next, we've got the dapper Arnav Rajiv. Arnav is definitely polite and helpful, but he's also very quite thorough. So parents, we have to be very thorough with him. We have to clap properly. Otherwise, he's going to note it down. Following Arnav is the lovely Bhargav Kumar. Bhargav is recognized by his friends as being very kind, eager, and enthusiastic. Up next, give it up for Bhavisha Shri. The lovely Bhavisha Shri is known by her friends to be playful, imaginative, and yet structured. Sounds like a future CEO to me. Give it up for Bhavisha. Following Bhavisha is another star on the rise. We've got Dhruvika Mahalanobish. Well, the parents were right by keeping the complicated name. It's going to sound more heavy when she becomes a CEO and a CFO of a very big company, right, parents? Because Dhruvika is known to be focused, calm, and structured as well. Parents, careful, she's got your eyes on you. She's focused. There you go. Up next, we've got the lovely Hitansh joining us on stage. The cheerful, friendly, and yet very practical Hitansh, receiving his graduation certificate right before us. And he's followed by Janvi Roy. Focused, polite, and insightful. Jahanvi is all set to spread her wings and fly out of this place. Up next, we've got Sharini N. Well, her friends say Sharini is brave. Okay. Well, we have Mohammad Aban joining us. The happy, imaginative, fun-loving Aban receiving his graduation certificate right now. Look at that determined face, parents. Look at that. Most of us don't have that confidence on a morning. Look at him. Give it up for Mohammad Aban. Aban is followed by Sharini the brave, cheerful and kind Sharini. And clearly very eager to receive her award, Sharini has come running to the stage. Give it up for her. And she will be followed by Shivangi Singh. Shivangi is friendly, and the best part about Shivangi is that she is structured and self-motivated. Parents at this age to be self-motivated, we can learn a lot from her. Give it up for the friendly, lovely Shivangi Singh. Shivangi is followed by Shivashish Raj. Rightly put by the teachers, he's sharp, energetic and polite. Give it up for Shivashish, and following him is the lovely Yashaswini Kudwa. Yashaswini is all smiles, looking at her own face on the stage, on the screen. And rightly so, her friends and faculty describe her as calm, friendly and disciplined. Her parents, she looks like she's very proud of her achievements. So let's give it up for the lovely Yashaswini. And following her is the adorable Mishika Anand. Mishika didn't like the word adorable when I called her. So maybe we should use the words the teachers have described her as, which is kind, focused and structured. Determined to get a great picture today for her graduation. Give it up for Mishika, and following her is the adorable Obin D. Almeida. Polite, friendly and calm. Owen is definitely oozing his charm, right parents? Thank you, Owen. And Owen is followed by the curious Pranita. Pranita is a focused, gentle and structured student as described by her friends and class teachers. And Pranita is followed by Anam Siddiqui. Anam may look like a shy kid when we look at her, but don't go by those cute looks because she is mentioned to be sharp, observant, and definitely polite. Clearly sharp and observant because she's watching me as I give her description. I feel like I'm put on the line, but I hope I did a good job. And Anam will be followed by Srinaya. The curious, friendly and ever happy Srinaya, showing us her beautiful smile on stage as she receives her award. And Srinaya will be followed by Adil Syed. Parents, can we make more noise for Adil because we need to make known to be kind, observant and energetic. Parents, mark my words, observant. Clap and he will observe all the attention you're giving him, love you're giving him. Come on, parents. Well, Adil already knows he's going to be a superstar in the future. That's why he's not wasting his time with us. So let's graduate. Awais is known for being calm, sharp, and fun-loving.
History because I have a new date and it's a 95% match.
Need a vibe check?
And he is the last graduate of RTF2 receiving his graduation honors. And on that note, parents, we are bidding goodbye to our RTF2 graduates. It is an emotional time for all the teachers and faculty, I'm sure, but what a delight it will be to watch them enter the real world and show us what they are capable of. Parents, are you excited to see what they're going to do?